Feel the raw power as the chainsaw effortlessly cuts through towering logs. The roar of the engine mixed with the crunch of splintering wood. Let's dive in and prepare yourself to experience it all in today's video. Ready to witness nature's giants come down like a breeze. Watch in awe as the mighty Trumbicide trees meet their match. Introducing the Sawquip SplitX, the superhero of wood splitting. With its 30-ton splitting force and a speed that'll leave your logs quaking, this machine makes woodpile duties feel like a joyride. Ever wondered what powers this wood-slicing marvel? Say hello to the Magnum LT linear carriage one-saw machine that glides smoother than butter on toast. With precision engineering and a robust frame, it's built to tackle the toughest logs with ease. The multi-blade circular saw robber 750-4200, a wood-cutting genius with double axes for twice the power. It slices through timber like bread with precision. Curious to see how this beast transforms logs? Get ready for serious wood shredding action. How will you tackle a giant tree that seems to defy nature? With massive saws and clever machinery, it's time to turn this timber titan into manageable pieces. Wow, look at that gorgeous wood grain. Who wouldn't want an heirloom made from this beauty? Get ready for some heart-stopping giant wood-spinning action. A beautiful red wood combined with the hands of a master carver creates a wonderful piece of work. The Praga V3S Timber Transport's vintage workhorse. This beast has been hauling logs since before your grandpa's grandpa was born. But just how much wood can this legend carry? Holy moly. Those workers were cutting down a massive tree without any safety gear. I just think about it, a falling branch could have turned a routine job into a serious disaster. Thankfully, fortune smiled on them this time. When trees and trucks collide, the results aren't pretty. Watch as this mighty truck meets its match, a falling giant of nature. Meet the Genshem 820DQ. This beast devours trees with its 970 horsepower engine and never breaks a sweat. Ever wonder how much power it takes to turn a log into mulch? Tune in to find out. Next is the full automatic veneer peeling machine. A 4-foot log peeler that works harder than you ever could. This plywood powerhouse strips logs with precision and speed, turning them into smooth sheets. Get ready for the ultimate chainsaw showdown, Husqvarna 3120X versus Stihl MS 880, which chainsaw will reign supreme in this timber-taming battle. The Cord King, Monster Splitter 16-foot, the beast that turns logs into kindling faster than you think. With its massive 16-foot capacity, this splitter handles logs like a pro. Curious how this beast handles the toughest jobs. The Timber Pro Tull 755D, the lumberjack's dream come true. With a powerful 75 HEP engine and a nimble design, it slices through timber like a hot knife through butter. The cheapest, fastest electric log splitter, this budget-friendly powerhouse makes log splitting a breeze. With 220 volts of raw electric power and a splitting force of 5 tons, it handles even the toughest logs with ease.
That bigger piece. Maybe this one more time. Okay, when you're done, just grab it like that. Lift it up.